Okay, so this is how to connect the turning motor and the limit switch, the digital time switch. This is how to connect. So these are the limit switch, even this one, it's a limit switch. So this is how you connect. Yeah, this is how you connect for the turning motor. Yeah, but at least I've tried. My drawing is not that much, as you can see, but at least someone can see. Yes, so these are the limit switch. This one's a turning motor, this one's a digital time switch, then the power source. Okay, so thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like, comment, and to subscribe, so that you can be notified each time I upload a video. Thank you.